Here's another way to separate this worship model of an understanding of what you do when you get together versus the edification model. The worship model that we have today is one where the building is holy. You ever heard the song Tiptoe, Tiptoe in God's House? I remember that being sung to my kids when they were young. You're supposed to be quiet and reverent and such. But the building becomes holy if indeed we're meeting in a house of worship, a house of God, where we somehow perceive that God is more present than he is somewhere else. So the building becomes holy. The service, therefore, must be beautiful, and the worshipers, consequently, must be reverent as they gather together, often dressed in their Sunday best, of course. That's the worship model, taken to its extreme, and it's what's being done by most churches to this day. But the edification model, I find, would be a rather different approach to things. The building becomes purely functional. The building is unimportant to the gathering. What's important to the gathering is one another, and the meeting, therefore, must be edifying. That's a biblical understanding of why you're meeting and what you should be doing when you get together.